Got back from Harbor Freight, got a bunch of shit.
Oh my god, fucking told you we're gonna need tools. Open up the fucking tools.
All organized and shit, but they're lost.
And this ratchet I'm gonna own, it's probably gonna break in like a week. Then we got flathead, a regular Phillips head. I think that's a small head. I don't know what the fuck this is.
What the fuck is that?
But we'll figure it out. And we got vice grips, cool. Fuck it, and we needed these.
And box cutters.
Yeah. Oh shit! What? Yo, feel how cheap this is.
What? What? It's not even metal, it's plastic.
That is so cheap. Harbor Freight, yo, what the fuck? I needed this because I needed the T45s out of this for my doors so I could take my doors off. Mainly got this whole thing so I could take my doors off. But also I ended up with an awesome security screw set. Security screw set. Fucking 3-inch cutoff wheels. The baby Chicago Electric cutoff wheel that we bought. I call it a baby because look how small this fucking thing is. They have like 4.5-inch cutoff wheels and like 7-inch cutoff wheels. We just bought a fucking 3-inch. We just bought a 3-incher. You know what I'm saying? Cool. Pretty sure you have the same fucking one. 120-volt light that's probably gonna blow up my whole circuit in my garage with these tools. The fittings for the air hose that we fucking needed because my air compressor did not fit into my air impact, so that sucks dick. And that's pretty much it.
So Devin's, I guess, gonna end the video.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy late St. Patrick's Day to everybody out there. I know a lot of you are Irish, so I was drinking for you. This is a brand new pack, but I'm still drinking for you.
No, we are not sponsored by them. We just decided to bring it up.
Sponsored.
We are not sponsored.
Throwing that one out there. Come on, I'm rocking the winch. Let's get it. Cooper should definitely sponsor me. I've been rocking the same tires for fucking 2 years now.
We went through a hell of a shit to get that tire to fit on there.
Yeah, for real.
We almost died 4 times because that back wheel would not stay on. Cooper, please help us out.
Wheel spacers.
I mean, hey, the 96 could use some tires.
For real. Alright, guys.
Alright. See ya.